Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Explorer Limited and I will be showing you how you can start this vehicle with that battery in a key fob or even without the battery in a key fob. So for the purpose of this video I have removed the battery from a fob and I've taken the fob apart. This video will apply to Ford Explorers, the 5th generation of Ford Explorers made from 2011 all the way up to 2019. If I try to start the vehicle right now, I will get the message, no key detected. Okay, and I cannot start it because obviously there is no battery in a key fob. But there is a trick on these vehicles, what you can do. If you lift the middle console cover, and right here, let me turn the flash on my phone. Okay, right here there is a slot inside the middle console. So what you have to do, you just have to insert actually this circuit board from a key fob inside that slot. So that means if you have a fob with that battery, all you have to do, insert this fob right here into this slot. Okay, and now if you try to start the vehicle, it should start without any kind of problems. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, and I think this is a very handy thing to know in case you own this vehicle, because we all know how these small batteries go. You go on a vacation or something and then the battery gets empty and then you can't unlock the car, or you get this message and you get in panic, but it's not a big deal because you can always start and drive the vehicle even without the battery in the fob. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.